Python is a popular programming language that is used for a variety of applications from web development to data analysis. It is known for its simplicity, readability, and ease of use, making it a great language for beginners and experienced programmers alike. One of the reasons why Python is so popular is that it has a large and active community of developers who are constantly creating new tools and libraries to make programming easier and more efficient. This means that there is always something new to learn and explore in the world of Python programming. Finally, Python is a language that encourages creativity. With its powerful libraries and tools, developers can create amazing applications quickly and easily. Whether you're interested in creating web application, analyzing data, or building a machine learning model, Python has the tools you need to get the job done. Python can help you achieve amazing things. It is easy to learn and use, and it can open up many exciting career opportunities in the tech industry. So why not start learning Python today and join millions of developers who are using this amazing language to create the future?